Hey there, meet Bipul Kumar Mohonto, the person rocking the digital marketing scene in Bangladesh, currently making success happen with two big shot agencies. Expert at Park and Brain Waves BD, he's your friendly digital marketing expert. In 2019, he successfully completed a digital marketing course at Expert at Park. In 2023, after completing a super advanced course, he's armed with the latest digital tricks, so if you need awesome and effective marketing, he's your guy. But wait, he's not just about marketing. He's your go-to for all things digital, whether it's eye-catching graphics or cool websites. His agency has got it covered with a bunch of happy clients in their portfolio. Their work speaks for itself. Clients stick around because they're good at wait. They do check out their client meeting on their YouTube channel for some success stories. If you're interested, schedule a free chat with them. For extra peace of mind, try them out for a week. If you like what you see, you stick with them for the long run. They really care about their clients and they approach each project with dedication and professionalism. Your success is what matters most. They're not just handling projects, they're creating success stories. Your win, their passion. Let's team up and create your success story together.